Hello, and welcome to my ukulele life. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video, which is a bit strange because I don't really like unboxing videos. But I thought, I just got a new ukulele, my first bass ukulele, and I love playing bass, but I can't anymore. So this is my Aklot Ebony 4-string fretless bass ukulele, new bass, and get my magic carpet knife and open the box. Really good delivery, because usually you get like this enormous box and they put 2 slices of paper in it, and then the original box, that's how it was last time I got a ukulele. It's like this massive box. And this time they've sent it in the box, just in a normal box that they got from Aklot. It's not even, it's great. Okay, the moment of truth has arrived. Oh, yeah, that looks, wow. Okay, right at the start, and then, oh wow, stuff out there. Okay, this bag looks really nice. I am surprised. Okay, a nice sized pouch. Okay. Padded handle, padded straps at the back, and an extra strap. And down there, put it on the floor standing up. It's protected. That's a good gig bag. I'm not usually a big fan of gig bags because they, usually just get a thin bit of cloth with a cheap zipper, and it's just like dust protection. I think this one, it's got a nice zip on it. Okay. I'd say that's about 1 centimetre thick. That padding is thick. That is some good protection. Okay, very nice. Yeah, it's got a strap, Aklot standard design checkered flag strap. I'm partial to these, and I'm going to be using this because I always play with a strap. So, good show, Aklot. Oh, jolly good. A P&P Music, Guansahu P&P Music Strap Factory, whatever, looks good. A little Allen key and some plastic picks. Yeah, it does. Okay. Oh, this is the big. I really like this bag. This gig bag. That is really good. Over there. Okay, so there's the batteries. Posiciona. And here is a free rubber band. And let's get this thing out. It's a bit exciting, isn't it? Ta-da-ta-ta! Yes, that looks okay. It's funny, on the pictures at Amazon, they didn't have this at the back. I don't know if you can see that. You can screw that off so you can get the strings better when you're restringing, which is good. Okay. Look at the overall finish. Yes, that looks quite nice, I must say. That's looking rather nice. So it's a 3-part neck. See, it's down here, it's joined here, and it's got a scarf joint up here, which is pretty much standard, Strap pins, 2. So it's like inside. Yeah, that looks looks quite nice. This is the Aklot model AKBU30. Okay, so it's nice. It's got a nice, I mean it's not tuned, it's not tuned, but it sounds really nice. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'll put in the batteries and be right back to tune it up. Before I go, batteries go in there, press and pull, and that's where you put your two batteries in. Simple as that. So, do this. When you're tuning one of these things, these big strings, they're going to stick here, so when you tune it, lift it up a little bit, and then you'll be able to tune it better. I'm getting there. Don't hear a difference, right? No difference. But pull this up and it's a bit better. But this is going to need a lot of tuning. Oh dear. I think I've got it. No dead frets on this one. It's fretless. No dead frets. Whoa. Wow. The intonation is incredible. It's spot on. Well, okay, the A is a couple of cents off, but you know, that's just weird. Yeah, okay, my biggest takeaway from this is when you're tuning, keep on lifting the strings up so they don't jam in the nut, because they're really, if you look at that, you can see they're really deep grooves. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's a really deep groove, and they just sort of stick in there. So when you're tuning it up, you just got to keep on lifting it out, otherwise it's going to take you years, and you could maybe even rip a string. So, okay, during the last 5 hours I've been tuning this. Not really, but it takes a while. I did find something wrong. If you look here, you can see. Yeah, you see that? They forgot to put colour on it. They forgot to paint it. They forgot to paint it. Aklot, wake up! What are you doing? Yeah, see that? Look at that. Oh, that looks horrible. What I'm going to have to do is and it's also rough. It's not been sanded down well at all. So at some point, I'm going to have to take out the strings and ground that. Use sandpaper on it, paper it down and get it right, and then put some more colour on it. I don't like the bridge. The bridge is not well made. The rest, as usual with Aklot, look at it. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Doesn't that just look beautiful? That's really a nice instrument. But apart from the bridge, the tuners are nice. Look at the tuners, they got nice little white stripes on them, see that? That's the sort of thing I like. I just like little details like that. And the Aklot is... It's not a sticker, it's an inlay. That new Aklot logo is an inlay. That looks sort of heavy metal though, doesn't it? Yeah, fool. Yeah, right. That's a good bit of music, that, isn't it? Otherwise, string through body, as usual by Aklot. Inside, it's looking very nice. Yep. Very, very tidy. I wouldn't expect anything else from Aklot. I'm just a bit disappointed with the bridge because that's not up to scratch. But otherwise, yeah. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play this a few weeks. At sometime in the future, I'll do a proper test. Oh, just as a footnote, I've already plugged it in my amp. That's upstairs, that's why I didn't film it, because I came downstairs again to tune it. I just wanted to get my proper tuner. It's easier than using the one built in. Excuse me. Yeah, so the pickup works fine. And yeah, I'll play it a couple of weeks. And then I will do a full review. Ta-ra. See you next time.